Hi everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily transform your silk scarf like this to wear in winter. Sometimes we have a scarf that we like, but it's too thin to wear in winter when it's freezing, right? I show you what you can do with your scarf. If you like scarves, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notifications about new videos with some fresh ideas. And now let's get started. I'm going to make this beautiful silk scarf ready for winter. For that, I'll need a second scarf. I have this bright yellow scarf with fringe. The best choice for the underscarf would be wool or acrylic. As you can see, I just make a sandwich from the scarves. The top of our silk scarf will be a wind protection, and the other layers will create some kind of pockets for warm air. And now let's see how it looks. Here is a light version, and here is a warm version. What do you think? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like to wear your scarf on the head, check these videos for more ideas, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!